Okay, AJ. So what are you thinking of this?
I think it's gonna be pretty damn cool.
Has your car ever been this clean? Or the truck, I should say?
Probably not.
So, why are you on the car?
Cleaning the windshield, of course.
Really? How's that going?
I think it's going okay. Sure is cleaner than whenever Sarah had it.
Whoa! Shout out for paying out.
Yeah, you just been burned, Sarah.
I thought you were supposed to be in the car, not on the car. Maybe it's because the inside isn't as clean. AJ's life that we are going to put on the car. Unfortunately, I made these all in the wrong direction, so we'll see if they actually fit on the car. Right, AJ? So let's go back here. We can see AJ was born year of the horse. She started school in 2007. Played soccer for Legacy from 2009 on for several years. Got her driver's license in 2018. Oh, and then there's a toilet paper. I think there's a weird missing, right? What were you thinking?
We could run the wooden stake down right here and attach it up here. And then put the horn on the front of that. I think that might work.
It's a possibility. What are we working on now?
The 2020 for the bumper.
So we're gonna start from the back and go forward?
Sure.
Diana's struggling, right? Diana's struggling just a little bit. AJ's got all these really great ideas, and I'm having a hard time.
You're doing amazing.
She
made all of these posters.
Putting these all together.
Post surgery, like.
Okay, so we got AJ's very odd timeline, and then. What you got over here, kiddo?
Congratulations, everybody. We're doing it.
Yeah, I love it. Got the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Bam, Stan.
Are you a blue devil?
Maybe just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay, so let's look at your little timeline here. I like the toilet paper.
Thank you. You did a good job.
AJ, tell me why we don't have an extra little train on this back part right here.
Because I don't like it. Here?
Sure.
Or like there?
I think right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, there you go. There you go. You're going to have all of your friends' signs now?
I only had
driver's license, lacrosse, high school sports, first day of school. 2020, some of my favorite things, right? And comments to and from her friends.